Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to attach a 4K video to your Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook, as well as a 4K video you may have recorded using your iPhone, your iPad, or your Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the desktop application, Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go to the top left corner of the screen where we can compile a new email. Let's now compile the email. Hello, this is a test email. Please see the attached video in 4K. Kind regards. And this will be sent from the admin account. Now let's go to add a recipient. We will always be sending to the Computer Science Videos Business Gmail account. Let's now add a subject, which will be test email. Before we send the email, we need to add the video attachment. So let's move to a new desktop. Now let's go around to the dock, go to the Find application, locate the 4K video that we will be attaching. So there we have it on screen. This is a 4K video. Highlight the video. Command C to copy, go to the desktop. Command V to paste. Close out of Finder. Go to the video. Right click the video, get information. As you can see about the resolution of the video, we have the dimensions 3840 by 2160. Close this. Let's go back to our email. Now let's go to attach file. This should take us directly to the desktop where we have this is a 4K video. Click on this, double click to attach. As you can see, it's a 2.6 MB file. We can have larger files. That's for another video. So now let's click on send. As you can tell by that notification, the email itself has now been sent. We can now close Outlook. Now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your additional web browser, Google Chrome. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, go to the top right corner where we have Gmail. Click on this to go into our account. So there we have it, the email, the test email. Hello, this is a test email. Please see the attached video in 4K. Kind regards. Click on this video. We might not be able to play this. There was a problem playing the video. That's fine. Download the video. Click on the video. And there we go. So close the video. Quit Google Chrome. Now let's go down to the dock. Go back to Microsoft Outlook. Quit Outlook. And so that's about this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.